Let us see what do we have here for you guys today. But don't forget, no, na i-take lang ang nag-resonate sa inyo na mga messages. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. I think you've been thinking about this, no? Medyo matagal-tagal na, no? Mukhang kayo ito, no? Hindi kayo as in wondering lang eh. Hindi kayo as in curious lang eh. This is you, no? I feel like you feel bothered and also may energy rin kasi ng nag-aalala. So you're worried about this. Actually, sick and worried about this. So let me keep moving, but I think I know already what's going on. High priestess. Yeah, you've been silently keeping it to yourself, no? So you're not telling this to your partner right in here, no? So yeah, definitely you are in connection here with someone with the presence of lover's energy and you're not telling this to your partner, no? May energy rin kasi that with the high priestess energy, medyo nahihiya kayo rito, no? Na magtanong, no? Yeah, we just heard the word confront, no? Pwedeng confrontation, no? Tanungin siya, tapatin siya, no? Kasi baka ma-misunderstood niya, no? Or kasi baka, mag-isip siya rito, no? Ng negative, no? Or ang maging dating is negative, no? Pagdating sa kanya, no? So, nakita ko dito that you've been thinking about this and at the same time, okay, tinatago mo ito sa iyong self. I'm seeing that you've been keeping this inside uh, your thoughts lang, no? Hindi mo nilalabas yan. With the Hierophant energy presence right in here, yeah, see? Okay. So, tatapatin ko na kayo, no? This feels like a personal reading here for someone. Maybe to few of our viewers. But, this is bound to happen right in here. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. At itutuloy pa rin natin, no? Kahit na it feels like a personal reading here for someone, no? Para makatulong rin, no? Doon sa mga viewers na makaka-resonate dito, no? And in fact, ito ay isang klase ng reading na nafe-feel ko, no? Na ito ay marami-rami mangyayari pa lamang, no? So, let me continue. Let me just lay all the energies first sa ating table. We have here Six of Swords. Yeah, you feel like, no? This is getting slower and slower, no? Yeah, see, look at that center of the reading. This is your energy, definitely. Strength card energy. Four of Swords right in here. Okay? You want this to end, no? Magkaroon rito ng solution. But this is you, I think you do not know what to do. Knight of Coins energy. Yeah, you've been dealing here with a long-time partner. I'm seeing you connecting here with someone, no, na pwedeng kayo rito ay ilang taon na. So, para sa inyo, no, matagal na ito. So, kahit ilang taon na kayo rito, no, I'm seeing here 9 years, here to some. It could be decade already. Others of you, it could be already 3, going 5 years right in here, no. So, nakikita ko that you've been already matagal nang ka-in relationship itong tao na 'to. Okay, so guys, okay, wala tayo ditong gender ha, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody ay welcome. Five of Swords, definitely. Bottom of the deck, Three of Wands right in here. Yeah, look at that. See? Okay. There is a rainbow after the rain. Yan, no? So, parang kanta lang ng South Border, no? But yeah, definitely there's a rainbow after the rain. So, before we continue this pag-uusap dito sa inyong reading, no, na very, very personal ang feels, okay? Let me just make bati everyone first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning istambayers ko dyan. Thank you so much ha dahil lagi kayong nandito nakatambay. No, kahit na kayo ay nasa trabaho, no, wag lang talaga kayo magpapahuli sa boss ninyo kasi lagot ka, isusumbong ka niya, no? Sino miss yan? Yan yung katabi mo. Baka imbyer na sa'yo yung katabi mo na isusumbong ka niya 'no, habang ikaw ay nanonood 'no. Tapos working hours, 'yan 'no, thank you so much mga babes, pero ayoko kayong mapagalitan 'no. So puwede niyo rin 'yang gawin mga babes 'no, ng palihim. Intermittent reader, puwede niyo naman gawin 'yan mamayang dewian na, ang tagal pa nun miss yan, o 'di mamaya 'no, 'pag may break time kayo, 'di ba? So yun nga, lahat ng gender dito kagaya ng binanggit ko 'no, babae, lalaki, LGBT lahat ay welcome. Puwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit po kasi general reading ito 'no. And siyempre, at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will if you want to claim the messages at gawin itong guidance or not 'no. And siyempre 'no, may free will kayo, okey? Tandaan niyo yan, it's up to you. So now let's go back 'no, continue na natin ito 'no, mag-proceed na tayo rito sa ating, nakikita 'no. With the Lover's card energy, Eight of Swords right here 'no, you feel like there's some sort of a problem 'no. Pasumida iso 'no. So definitely meron talaga 'no, tama ka, meron talaga 'no. Yun ang ibig sabihin nung sinabi ko mga babes 'no. So yun nga 'no, nakita natin dito 'no, that with the High Priestess right in here 'no, even though you feel like na kailangan mo 'tong ikwento sa friend mo, sa close friend mo, sa best friend mo 'no, pinipili mo pa rin na i-keep ito sa sarili mo 'no. Ayaw mo kasi magkaroon dito ng parang, bad image or negative image 'no, yung iyong person rito na I feel like matagal mo ng ka-in relationship. Others, it could be years already, okay? Puwedeng going 3 years na kayo or 3 years going 5 years right in here 'no, or more 'no. I'm also picking up 9 years, yan 'no. Magde-decade na kayo rito 'no. Yeah, but you feel like there's some sort of a problem right in here, okay? So, I do see, okay, na kayo ito na with the Lover's card energy, yung problem or there's a sort of a problem na sinasabi niyo rito 'no, why is your person keeping this connection here really slow 'no, at parang ito ay may mas nagiging, slower 'no, at parang bumabagal yung takbo ng inyong connection 'no. What do you mean, Miss Yan 'no? This is your reading, if this is you, matagal na kayo ng partner mo but you feel like bakit parang hindi niya pa ini-spill yung beans or yung tea right here. Ibig sabihin, bakit hindi pa siya rito nagpo-propose ng marriage with you? Yan, o. Bakit wala pa yung engagement? Bakit wala pa yung proposal? Bakit wala pa rito, no? Na pag-express rito, no, ng gusto kitang makasama forever? Will you be my woman forever? Will you be my man forever? In other words, will you marry me? Yun yung hinihintay mo, ang tagal-tagal niyo na 'no, pero bakit hindi pa rin yun binabanggit ng partner mo? Bakit hindi niya pa rin sinasabi yun 'no, or bakit parang, feeling mo 'no, you're stuck into this type of connection na hindi naggo-grow, yun yung feeling mo 'no, parang feeling mo may mali dito, meron ba ditong problema sa connection namin, nahihiya naman akong itanong ito sa partner ko. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT 'no. But if you are LGBT mga babes 'no, maybe this is you 'no, because there's a presence here 'no, of your loved ones, okay? I mean, there's the presence of another energy 'no, pertaining to loved ones. So, puwedeng bakit hanggang ngayon sikreto pa rin ang inyong relationship ng partner mo? Bakit hanggang ngayon hindi ka pa rin yung makipagpakilala sa kanya ritong mga loved ones 'no, sa kanya ritong family? Bakit hindi ka pa niya rito maipakilala rito sa kanyang mga closest friends? Bakit parang feeling mo 'no, isang sikreto ang inyong relationship 'no? Maraming naglalaro sa isipan ninyo, okay? So, if this is not marriage here, okay, for others of you, then this is probably bakit hindi pa niya rito i-out ang inyong relationship. What is the problem? Why is your relationship 'no, in secrecy pa rin 'no, in secret? Ano bang problema rito 'no? What's really going on 'no? What's stopping your person 'no, with this Hierophant energy? This is all you're asking. This is all you're asking in your prayers. High Priestess, Hierophant energy 'no, at bakit hindi nagsasalita yung person mo? Bakit hindi niya ino-open ito? Bakit parang may nililihim siya rito 'no? Ayan, okey. There are a lot of, possible reasons 'no, at babanggitin ko 'yun sa inyo 'no, na lumabas dito mga babes 'no. So, it could be any, specific or other specific na dahilan 'no, pero yung nagsa-stand out dito 'yun yung babanggitin ko, okay. I think with the Six of Swords 'no, the very thing 'no, na nagki-keep sa yung person 'no, dito sa proposal na 'to, dito sa engagement na 'to mga babes 'no, or dito sa pagpapakilala niya sa inyo, sa kanya ritong family, sa kanya ritong circle of friends 'no, sa kanya ritong soul tribe 'no, is this, 'yan. Lover's energy is an indication right in here 'no, ng naguguluhan 'no. So your person right here 'no, bibigay ko sa inyo yung mga dahilan 'no. Meron sa kanila rito mga babes 'no, na with the Knight of Pentacles energy, okay, uunahin ko na 'to 'no, but this is also the reason why 'no. Your person isn't sure sa inyo na talagang gusto niya kayo rito pakasalan. So if you're thinking 'no, na gano'n, yes, sa iba sa inyo yun talaga yung reason 'no. May energy rin dito ng boredom 'no, parang nawawalan siya ng gana dito sa relationship 'no, pero wala siyang iba, okay. So yung iba naman dito, meron silang iba, pero tinatago lang nila yon in secret. Kinakausap lang nila yon in secret, pero wala silang plano 'no, na, ah what's this, wala silang plano na seryosohin kung sino man yung kausap nila. So, may kausap lang sila. Two of Swords energy, 'no? Pero hindi niya pa maibigay sa inyo ito 'no, kasi nga mga babes 'no, may energy siya rito ng hindi siya gano'n ka-serious dito 'no. So, yeah, mga babes 'no, gusto ko lang magbigay ng komento, 'di ba? If a person really loves you 'no, alam mo yung, hindi totoo yung 'pag ano, nakilala mo yung isang tao ng mabilis tapos ilang buwan lang gusto ka na niyang pakasalan 'no, ibig sabihin nun mawawala din agad yung relationship. No, it's not true, okey? Merong mga iba't ibang pakahulugan, 'di ba? A person right here 'no, decided 'di ba, na pakasalan ang isang person 'no, after meeting her or him, okay, kahit na ilang buwan pa lang silang magkakilala 'no, because so much love. Bakit kailangan patagalin 'no? Nararamdaman ko at gusto ko siyang makasama forever kaya pakakasalan ko siya. At hindi yun biro 'no, gastos sa reception, wedding, organize ng lahat-lahat 'no, even the clothes, the dresses 'no, suits, lahat na 'no, food, everything 'no, hindi yun biro 'no. And when a person decide 'no, to marry someone 'no, it's not always na ibig sabihin nun, ay matatapos din yan agad kasi ganito, ganyan, 'di pa sila masyadong magkakilala, blah, blah, blah 'no, yeah. But what if 'no, your true soulmate talaga with that person and you feel like you do not want na, mawala itong person na 'to 'no, so pakakasalan mo siya 'no. And kaya yung iba nagpapakasal agad-agad because they're so much in love, they feel that kind of soul connection right in here 'no, and this is you, you're bothered 'no, okay. Yung iba sa inyo ka-live-in niyo siya rito 'no, pero parang iniintay niyo pa rin na pakasalan niya kayo 'no, yung iba kung ka-live-in niyo ito 'no, 'yan 'no. Wala siya rito actually pang plano na pakasalan kayo rito 'no, dahil ang daming gastusin 'no. At alam mo, tatapatin ko kayo 'no, yung iba sa rason dito 'no, wala silang planong pakasalan kayo 'no, dahil mas uunahin na lang nila dito 'no, yung inyo ritong kakainin araw-araw. But you're wanting na talagang bitbitin 'no, yung pangalan 'no, nitong tao na 'to because you love this person here so much 'no. And others of you, if this is not marriage 'no, kagaya ng binabanggit ko kanina, especially for my LGBTQs out there 'no, hindi niya ma-out ang inyong relationship 'no, 'yan 'no. Without any judgment, but I'm gonna tell this 'no, ito yung nasa thoughts niya rito. Nahihiya siya rito 'no, in front of his or her family and close friends 'no, na ipakilala kayo rito 'no. Hindi ko alam bakit ganyan yung nafi-feel niya rito 'no, but naiisip ko rito parang ayaw niya ritong mahusgahan siya. Okay, so may gano'ng klase ng energy. That's why kahit ang tagal niyo na, tinatago niya pa rin dito at bakit hindi niya pa rin kayo mapakilala rito sa nanay niya, sa tatay niya 'no. Okay, kasi puwedeng hindi alam 'no, na, yung tungkol sa kanya ritong true identity. Okay, so, okay, it could be also the reason why 'no. But for others 'no, kaya hindi niya kayo mapakilala 'no, doon sa kanya rito na, loved ones. It is because mga babes 'no, puwedeng meron siyang ibang ka-in relationship dahil may lumabas din talaga rito 'no, na meron talaga ritong, other energy 'no. So yung mga pinagbabanggit ko 'no, yun yung mga nagsa-stand out na reasons dito. But marami pang mga specific reasons 'no. But yeah, this is what, your person here 'no, is doing, okay. So this person here is keeping your relationship, yan, no? Dahil yun yung mga dahilan, no? And I think you do not deserve this, no? To get stuck into this type of relationship na hindi siya sure or hindi siya rito willing na ipakilala kayo sa loved ones niya, no? Alam mo yun, ang sarap lang sa feeling na parang may blended family, 'di ba? Ang sarap sa feeling na pinapakilala ka kasi parang proud siya sa'yo, no? Pero hindi mo yun makuha, hindi mo yun ma-attain, no? You think there's some sort of a problem and that is the problem itself. Your person, yung mga pinagbabanggit ko kanina, yung mga nagsa-stand out na mga rason kung bakit hindi niya rito magawa, no? Kung ano rito yung bagay na hinihiling mo, no? Pero hindi naman yung isang malaking bagay, 'di ba? For you guys, no? Lalo na if a person truly loves you, 'di ba? So you feel like bakit hindi niya ako rito mabigyan ng engagement, hindi niya ba ako mahal, mahal niya ba talaga ako, o baka naman hindi, baka nagkasawa na siya sa akin, o baka may iba siya rito, no? All of those things, no, I hope nasagot rito sa ating reading, no? And also, kung sino man itong person ninyo, no, alam mo yung energy, no, na parang this person here is keeping you stuck. Alam niya that you want marriage, you want wedding, okay? Or you want na maipakilala rito, no, sa kanya ritong family, no, to feel very welcome sa kanyang life, no? Pero hindi niya maibigay. Bakit? Kasi yun nga yung mga dahilan, no? With the Five of Swords energy, this person here, okay, yan yung kanya ritong pinapakita, no? This person here is definitely playing all of these tricks, all of these games right in here, no? Okay, so you choose. Okay, the lovers right in here, the universe is giving me, okay, some kind of message nila for you. You choose, mamili ka raw, no? Kasi nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, that with the Three of Wands energy, Seven of Cups in reverse, the Sun energy, anong sinabi ko dyan kanina, no? There's definitely a rainbow after the rain. Meaning to say, okay, itong confusion na ito na mabibigyan ng linaw, no, dahil you're meant to take a different pathway. The sun indicates right here a new beginning here for you guys, no, wherein there's total happiness 360 degrees, okay? But the universe is giving you a choice. Stay in this type of relationship and you will not be redirected into this beautiful pathway wherein you can be so happy, like very happy right in here. Or leave this person right in here, no? But then you can confront daw, you can speak to your person right in here, no? But this is definitely the truth. Okay, kung ano yung mga binanggit ko kanina, yun daw yung truth. Bakit ini-stop or nagkakaroon ng stuck Four of Swords energy itong inyong connection, no? Hindi umuusad, no? It is because you're meant to take a different pathway, no? This is you. You are someone here, no, na merong pinapakita ritong isa pang daanan, no? At mangyayari lang yun, bubukas lang yun, no, kapag mamimili ka na iwanan itong tao na to. You know yourself. Alam mo sa sarili mo that there's something here like a sort of a problem, no? And yun na yun. Okay? Ako personally, no, kahit reader nyo lang ako rito mga babes, no? I do feel like that if you're asking for my opinion as a friend, okay, I want you to be so happy, okay? And hindi mo deserve yung isang person na hindi sure sa'yo, hindi mo deserve yung isang person na pinaghihintay kayo, no? Okay? Because if a person truly loves you, okay, he or she can tell the whole world that you are his or her man or woman. You deserve someone better. Ani, you deserve someone who's best for you. Alright? So yeah, for the initials right here, yes, we do have. Okay, unang-una letter E. Andito rin letter A. We also have here letter H. Andito rin letter R. Mawawala ba ang letter T? Andito rin babe ang letter V. At last but not the least, we have here the letter O. Okay, so yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. Again, I'm Yuriana on ni Sarang Heya Love and Light. Choose wisely, mga mahal, okay? And, yung